What if AI could help improve your resume, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and maybe even help you land your next job faster? That's exactly what Wonsulting is trying to do. And honestly, this platform has become one of the biggest names in career coaching and AI job search tools in 2026. But is it actually worth using, or is it just social media hype? Let's find out. So first, what exactly is Wonsulting? Wonsulting is a career coaching company and AI-powered job search platform designed mainly for students, graduates, and professionals looking to improve their careers. The company became very popular online for helping what they call underdogs, people without top schools, connections, or perfect resumes, compete for better jobs. And over time, they added AI tools to automate parts of the job search process. Now, let's talk about the best features. One of the biggest features is the AI Resume Builder. Wonsulting's tools help users create resumes optimized for ATS systems, which are the automated systems many companies use to filter applications. Another popular feature is LinkedIn optimization. The platform gives suggestions for improving profiles, headlines, keywords, and networking visibility. They also offer AI-generated cover letters and networking tools that can help users send personalized outreach messages faster. And honestly, for beginners who feel lost during the job search process, the platform feels much easier and more modern than traditional career websites. Wonsulting also provides career coaching content, interview tips, and educational videos across social media, which is one reason the brand became so popular. Now, let's talk about pricing. Some Wonsulting AI tools include free features, but premium tools and coaching services can become fairly expensive depending on what you choose. For example, advanced resume builders, coaching sessions, and career programs usually require paid plans. So this is definitely something to consider before signing up. Now for the downsides. The biggest thing to understand is that AI tools cannot magically guarantee jobs. Several users online mentioned that AI-generated resumes and cover letters still need editing and personalization. Some people also feel the company's marketing is sometimes too motivational or sales-heavy. And while many users enjoy the coaching content, others say some paid services may feel expensive compared to free career advice available online. Another thing is that results really depend on your own skills, experience, and job market situation. The AI can help improve presentation and organization, but it can't replace real qualifications. So, is Wonsulting worth using in 2026? Honestly, I think it can be very useful for students, recent graduates, and job seekers who struggle with resumes, LinkedIn optimization, and networking. The platform combines AI tools with career education in a way that feels modern and beginner-friendly. But if you already have strong job search skills, you may not need all the premium services. Overall, Wonsulting feels like a solid AI-powered career platform, especially for people trying to improve their chances in a competitive job market. If you want to try Wonsulting for yourself, I've left the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which AI tool I should review next.